Good evening and a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Aldrin D'Souza, for those who do not know me, and I am the co-founder of All Rounders. First and foremost, I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who have taken time out to come and spend with us here today on a Saturday night. Rest assured, over the next 1 hour, you will not only learn something, but you would also get entertained. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all our teachers on the call for having taken the time, the effort to put together their curriculums, their course material, and shared that with us, which we have hosted on the All Rounders platform. The platform would not have been possible without the tireless efforts of our teachers. Lastly, let me introduce the All Rounders team. With me here today is the co-founder of All Rounders. I'm delighted to introduce Shane Alvarez, whom you all know. Shane.
Hi, everybody.
We have Priscilla D'Souza, who leads operations and finance at All Rounders. Priscilla.
Hi, everyone. A warm welcome to one and all. Hope you all have a great time here. Thank you.
We also have on this call Rainer Dias, who leads our marketing and information technology. And we have Fernando Dias, who is our legal counsel. Now let's begin with the genesis of All Rounders. While parents understand the importance of extracurricular activities in the holistic development of their children, and most parents even encourage their children to take up extracurricular activities, parents, however, would like that these extracurricular activities help children in their careers going forward. And with this background, All Rounders today is institutionalizing the teaching and the learning process of extracurricular activities, taking it to the next level by hosting our content on a learning management platform. Our focus is and has always been on the holistic development of students, developing their intellectual capabilities, their social and emotional skill sets, their public speaking and personality development skill sets, and a whole lot more, with the sole intention of giving them a competitive career advantage, thereby developing, we believe, our leaders for tomorrow, and most importantly, making them better human beings. The vision at All Rounders is to focus on the all-round development of individuals to develop our leaders for tomorrow. Our mission, on the other hand, is to prepare and develop students and individuals to develop a holistic personality that could give them a competitive career advantage. Having said that, let me give you a little brief of what the All Rounders platform is all about. Can we move to the next slide, please? So this is what All Rounders is all about. It's an online learning platform for extracurricular activities that focuses on an outcome assessment through certification, which we believe would help individuals and children in their careers going forward, thereby giving them a competitive career advantage. As mentioned, we have partnered and collaborated with experienced teachers and instructors to take their structured courses online, which have simple structured course material hosted on a learning management platform. All our teachers on the platform, rest assured, are not only experienced, but are also certified. The teachers on our platform use their own tried and tested methodologies while teaching students. And the course content has been designed in such a manner that is presented in a simple, structured format, which could include pre-recorded videos, which could include PDFs, which could include audio as appropriate. Most importantly, our course delivery on the platform is online video conferencing classes, and these are supplemented by 24/7 access to pre-recorded course material, which students can access 24/7 wherever they are and at any time from the comforts of their home. We have a plethora of extracurricular activities on the platform. Next slide, please. Today, we at All Rounders are launching this platform with 100+ courses. We've got about 5 dance courses, 15 art courses. We have more than 10 courses on music, 6 courses across speech and drama, 7 courses across languages. We have even courses around nutrition, around coding, across technology, around acting, life skills, and we have got an entire gamut of workshops. So on the platform, there is something for everyone, be it a student, be it an adult, be it a young adult. Everyone has something on the platform for them. As we go through the presentation today and the next part of the session, we'll give you a brief about what the platform is all about and how you can maneuver through the site. With that, I would like to hand over to Shane, our co-founder, who will take it from here. Shane, over to you.
Hi, everybody. I know that you're all muted, so you can't say hi back. It's okay. A flashback to the late 60s. I can't flashback further because I wasn't even born then. But in the late 60s, we did not have YouTube, we did not have Facebook, we did not have Instagram, and obviously many of us didn't have even TVs. So we had nobody but our parents. And I'm saying this with a lot of emotion because my parents were the ones who pushed me into all the activities that I am in now. And on the other side, we had teachers to complement those needs that our parents had to encourage us, to teach us those extracurricular activities. At the age of 4, my parents made me learn the violin from an old, doddering old man who was a brilliant violinist. At the age of 4, my violin case was bigger than me. But if it hadn't been for that push from my parents, and here the parents are the key words that I'm going to bring up again and again. And I think this platform is all about the parents and the families and the teachers. And those are the 3 things that have molded our lives in the past. Now flash forward to today, where we have everything from YouTube to Zoom to everything else, all by way of technology. And we at All Rounders are exactly in time to fit into that space. The reason why it's called All Rounders is because unlike any other platform out there, and I'm saying this with great confidence, unlike any other platform out there, and you must be getting several calls which are blocked by Truecaller from various people who are selling you various kinds of courses. We are different in the sense that we have got very, 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 very highly qualified teachers, well vetted by us, and we have got courses which they have actually curated the material for the courses themselves over the last 6 months and are ready to present it to you now from today onwards. That being said, I want to welcome you all to the All-Rounders, and I will take you at some point of time through the site. But before that, one of the reasons why we are introducing All-Rounders is to encourage talent. And what better way to showcase that than to have a talent competition? So on with the show, let me introduce the talent competition. Okay, that was a very short reel, I'm sure, and there will be a lot of questions again, I'm sure, which is why on all our posters and all our flyers and all the emails that you will get after registration, we have given a whole lot of instructions. And even if you don't understand the instructions, you can always call me up. My number is on all the flyers. And I'm open to taking calls on this subject, or even if you just send me a WhatsApp message, I will always reply, right? So, very quickly, I will take you through the registration process. Here's our site. We will type the URL for all those who want it in the chat, so you can see it anytime, right? On the top of the site, you see the talent contest. Do you see that? So there's a talent contest button there. Once you click it, you will be taken to a registration form. It's a very simple one-step registration where you create your email and you create your password. And you can, if you have already got an account, you can sign in. But if you don't have an account, you can sign up. So you just click up the sign. I've just clicked the sign up button. Okay. And here again, I have to enter my details, right? I have to accept the terms of service. The vagaries of technology never cease to confound me. Right. So just log in now. Okay. Anyway, you get the idea. This technology, as I said, never ceases to surprise me. Once you log in, you will get into a category selection, below which you will see the rules of the competition. Please follow the rules, because really we don't want anybody who doesn't follow the rules will just simply get disqualified. Primary to this, the format of the talent contest is very different from the normal formats that you have. Okay, it's open to every kind of talent. It's like something like America's Got Talent. Okay, so if you're good at saying training a dog to sing, why not? So this is open to everybody, and you have to perform live. So that's another part. Now, where do I perform live? I go to our Facebook group, the All-Rounders Talent Contest Facebook group, and I click on the create post, and you see the red button. You'll see a red button over there which says go live. So you can just simply go live, and that's it. You perform for 5 minutes and you're out of it. We have the results for the first round based in for the first round. We have the results in January, somewhere on the 15th of Jan, and the results will be based on your acting skills, which is judged by a set of our mystery judges. And we also have a very big percentage of marks given to voting. So you need to call in all your friends to vote for you, to support you, to encourage you. That's about it on the talent contest. But while you're on the site, you really need to register for the talent contest also on the site. Okay, and that's the free sign up button that you have out there. Can I go back to the all-rounders? Okay. So just a second. Yeah, there's a sign up for free button where you can, and there you can actually browse through all the stuff that we have, arts, art, craft, whatever categories that we have, and you can actually sign up for them if required. Any feedback can be given to us at the email addresses that are mentioned down below the site, and that's it.
May I speak for 2 minutes?
Sure. Who's this?
This is Devi Prasad. I am Rishabh's father, and sorry we joined in a little bit late. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we started hearing from the time that you spoke about the talent contest, but I was a little bit more interested in knowing more about the various courses which are taken up by your academy, and whether vocals and other things would be taught to young kids. I was more interested in that part.
Yes,
so I was wondering if you have already covered that, or you will be covering it now.
No. We have already. So we are not. I'm not going into depth of the what are the courses there. I think it'll be nice for you to just go and explore the site. There's a lot of stuff. I mean, there's a really lot of stuff. We've got everything from music career guidance. Since you're speaking about music, we've got actually people who are training for performances, for auditions. And we've got also people who are having workshops for music production. So there is a lot for music because as you probably already know, music has been my pet subject forever. So go through the site. I think most of your questions will be answered there. Yeah. Anybody has any questions? We will take them after we finish the round of things. Please just please note down whatever you have, and we'll get back to you. Right? Okay. Another very important part of our whole all-rounders family is our teachers. As Aldrin said, I think we would have been nowhere without them, and I think that they have been carefully selected and put into the portal after a lot of discussions, a lot of brainstorming, and a lot of inputs from their side as well as from us. I have a reel which I'm going to show you right now, which will actually take you through the stuff that our teachers do.
I keep on falling. And out of love with you. Sometimes I love you, sometimes you make me blue. Hi everyone, my name is Zian, and I'm going to be your vocal coach.
Hi friends, this is Ashley Quinney, a professional guitarist, and I've been playing for the last 50 years or so, and I've been teaching also for the last 40 years. I play different styles, that is mainly classical guitar, pop and rock guitar, and jazz guitar. I'd like to impart my knowledge to interested students who would like to learn right from absolute basics to an intermediate level or to an advanced level.
你们好，我叫李新元。Hey guys, this is Parth over here. I teach the most popular business language and the highest paid foreign language in India. I will be teaching you business Chinese, etiquettes, slangs, practical knowledge, culture, how to order food in a restaurant, or how to negotiate the price, etc. So basically you shall be learning everything which is related or required for your survival in China. So what are you guys waiting for? Let's sign up today and let's start learning. 再见.
Do you want to create a track like this? Or this? If you love music and want to create your own songs or covers, music production is great fun and is essential for every musician now. Hi guys, this is Roy. I'm producing music for last 12 years. Click on the link below to join to my classes and I will show you how you can create professional tracks right at your home.
Mi, so, re, do, so, fa. Mi, fa, so, la, so. B, D, A, G, D, C. B, D, D, E, F, G, G. So, if you would like to read the notes or compose a piece or know more about the theory of music, you have come to the right place. Don't forget to click on the link below. Thank you.
If you have the passion to learn the piano and play like I just did, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Dan Fernandez and I have designed a well-structured modular program which I have been doing for the past 2 years with outstanding results. Join me and by the end of this course, you can become the pianist you've always wanted to be. And it doesn't even matter if you haven't played the piano before.
When someone says coding, what comes to your mind? Typing lots of code? Fixing errors? Or spending hours in front of your screen? Hi, my name is Ishan. I've been programming for 7 years and in this course, I will introduce you to the world of programming. Whether it is making your own games or building a website to track a satellite, you will learn it all here. Through hands-on learning and activity-based projects, dive into the world of technology with me today.
Hi, I'm Nupur, your communications coach. If you want to learn the secrets of creating an effective personality using your communication skills, you're at the right place. Don't forget to click on the link below.
Hi, I'm Dr. Archana Gupta and I'm your art instructor. I'm going to teach you all the mediums, all the styles and all the subjects as you can imagine in art, whatever is needed in your art colleges, schools, and how to become an art instructor yourself. Thank you.
What all the one says to hit and run off. They have no friend, the slip and the loft. Going about talking about the girls they used in the past. You gotta get what's coming to you for all the bad things you do to your lady. Treat her like a lady.
Hi there, I'm Auxilia Sequeira, a professional musician, music coach, and a music career counselor. Click on the link below to connect with me.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all? It's Snow White, O Queen. Snow White! Hi everyone, I am Luisa Pereira, the speech and drama coach. If you want your child to flourish on stage and be a confident speaker, you've come to the right place. Just click on the link below and I'm sure that mirror on your wall will tell you you are the greatest of them all.
Hi, I'm Sunita Saldana and I'm a published author and poet. My mission in life is to help people succeed. And so I have created courses in effective communication as well as creative writing. I have created courses for little ones from the age of 4 right up to people in the corporate world.
Aryan, what is this? क्या है ये? What have I done? कौन है? Who's there? मैंने पूछा कौन है? Namaste. My name is Kabir and I'm an acting coach based in Delhi. I've been teaching acting to students for over 2 years in both the English and the Hindi language. Students of all levels and ages are welcome to my classes. So if you're someone who's passionate about acting or just fascinated by the craft, or if you're a very filmy person in general, you've come to the right place. Click down below to enroll for my acting course. I'll see you there.
Coucou, bonjour, je m'appelle Snehal, j'habite à Bombay, au Maharashtra en Inde. Je suis professeur de français à mi-temps. Je travaille aussi pour le gouvernement français. Et ce serait un grand plaisir de vous faire découvrir cette belle langue et la culture française.
Hi, good to see you here. What does fitness mean for you? I want to talk to serious people who want to thrive and not just survive. During this course, I want to help you understand and discover how your body works. We will together understand and study how your body functions, what its requirements are, and how you can create your own diet and meal plans for yourself. Instead of coming back to a dietitian again and again, you can find unique ways into modifying your own daily habits, your own eating habits into healthier ones, and become your own nutritionist. So, if you like what this course is about, I hope you enroll. I'll see you soon.
Hello parents, my name is Miss Virgilia, and if you wish to prepare your child for a lifetime of learning and equip them with the tools of reading fluency, do sign them up for a reading and phonics class with me. Together, we will explore how to decode written text and enhance reading comprehension. See you soon.
Good evening, parents. I'm teacher Lynette, and I'm going to be doing the spoken English course with your child. English is a very important language when it comes to conversing with your friends, with your families, with people around you. This course will help your child understand how to use the language more effectively. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hey guys, my name is Ebby Sean and I've been beatboxing for 10 years. I'll be teaching you the basics of beatboxing, like the bass, the hi-hat, the snare, to the various technical aspects of beatboxing like TK-TKs, lip rolls, and various other techniques.
Oh, hey there! Have you wanted to create music of your own but couldn't do so just because you didn't have the right instruments or the required musical knowledge? Well, worry no more, because we here at Move Forward have created the right course for you. In this course, we teach you the basics of music production through classes on music arrangement, music theory, beat making, and much more. Find your groove and style in music from home through our hands-on activity-based projects without any prerequisite knowledge, instruments, or studio setups needed. Dive into this world of music production with us today.
Hi, I'm Cyrus. Have you wondered that we pay 100% of these beautiful gadgets and end up using less than 1% of its features? Well, I'm here to offer you a masterclass customizable to you and for your specific needs. I'm going to take you through lots of modules. For example, organizing your photos, making beautiful videos, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. You're going to be covering the iCloud, music, and lots more. Click now to know more, and let's get started.
Hi, my name is Sujan Karni. If you want to learn any one of these techniques or all of these techniques, All Rounders in association with Pick and Strum Guitar Classes has brought to you these courses: Basic, Intermediate, Advanced in Guitar. So please do subscribe and upgrade your guitar skills. Become an independent guitarist right from wherever you are. Even if you're a beginner, never mind, you still can be an independent guitarist after our advanced.
So hello there, this is Subhash here from YTA Dance Studios, Young Talent Association. So if you love dancing, if you love grooving, this is the right place for you. Let it be salsa, Bollywood, hip hop, belly dancing, or let's say Garba, Bharatanatyam, Bhangra prop, and many more. So my team is excited to teach you all dancing. So click the link below and join soon. I'm super excited to see you all.
As Subhash said rightly at the end, we are super excited to see all you guys. And again, hats off to our teachers, as you have very well seen, most of them. And there are some of them who are going to be performing at the end of the show. So hang around. If you're getting bored by now, you can just switch it on again at the end of the show. But there are some of our teachers who have actually taken time and trouble to put an entertainment program together just for you. Okay, we move on to the last part of the show, which is actually now, and that is the entertainment segment. Okay, so you are here, you'll see all of the teachers whom you have, many of the teachers, at least the ones in the performing arts, who will perform for you in this segment.
Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water, and I think of all the things, what you're doing, and in my head I paint a picture. Cause since I've come on home, well, my body's been a mess, and I missed your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Oh, won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie, Valerie, Valerie. Did you have to go to jail? Or put your house on up for sale? Did you get a good life? Yeah. I hope you didn't catch a tan. I hope you find the right man who'll fix it for you. Are you shopping anywhere? Change the color of your hair. Are you still busy? Did you have to pay that fine? Boy, you're dodging all the time. Are you still dizzy? Woo! Since I've come on home, where my body's been a mess, and I missed your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Oh, won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie, Valerie, Valerie. Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water. Ooh. And I think of all things, what you doing, and in my head I paint a picture. Yeah, since I've come on home, where my body's been a mess, and I missed your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Oh, won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over there? Valerie, ooh, Valerie, 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 ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. Don't you come on over, Valerie.
Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. उंगली है बच के निकले, उंगली है अंधा ये जंगली है, बेटा संभल ले, अंधा ये जंगली है। शेरों का मेरे से भाग ले तू, भाग ले बिल्ले। बाय 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 बाय। ओ भला मोरी रामा भला तारी रामा, 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 भला मोरी रामा भला तारी रामा। बाय 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 बाय।
मैं दूर जा रहा था और मुझे पता चला कि मैं उस दूर से काफ़ी दूर आ गया था। उस काफ़ी दूर पे पहुंच के मैंने देखा कि जो दूर था वही तो पास था, और उस पास के आसपास वाला दूर ही मेरा दूर था। ये लिखते हैं तेरे चाचा। सुन भाई मेरी बात, अपने चाचा को समझा लियो, मुझे उनके अंडर काम नहीं करना एज अ राइटर, ठीक है? शुरुआत में जब मैं आया था मुझे बिठा के ऐसे 10-15 पोइट्रीज रोज सुनाते थे वो। मुझे लगता था बहुत बड़े राइटर है, मुझे ही समझ नहीं आ रही होगी। मैंने अपने कुछ रिश्तेदारों को सुनाई, मैंने अपने कुछ दोस्तों को सुनाई। फ़ोन उठाना बंद कर दिया उन लोगों ने मेरा, बात नहीं करते, अब मुझसे पागल समझते हैं। कल की बात बताता हूँ मैं तुझे। येस्टरडे योर चाचा चेंज्ड हिज व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस एंड रोट, समटाइम्स व्हेन आई क्लोज माई आईज आई कांट सी एनीथिंग। वाह, क्या क्या लिखा है, वाह। यही जावेद अख्तर को सुना दो, यही गुलजार साहब को सुना दो, रो पड़ेंगे यहीं पे। Last week what happened was your chacha changed his Facebook profile photo and wrote the caption as, whatever you do in life, give your 100% unless you are donating blood. You know, he writes these things and he does not mean to be intentionally funny. He thinks that this is actual writing. उन्हें लगता है कि भाई मैंने क्या तीर मारा है, क्या लिखा है मैंने। 2 दिन पहले हम दोनों वॉक कर रहे थे, तेरे चाचा और मैं, ठीक है? हम लोग वॉक कर रहे थे और सामने से एक काली बिल्ली ने हमारा रास्ता काट लिया, ठीक है? एंड तेरे चाचा रुक गए, ही स्टॉप्ड मूविंग फॉरवर्ड। आई आस्क्ड हिम दैट, अंकल आप आर यू सुपरस्टिशियस? ही सेड, बेटा आई एम नॉट सुपरस्टिशियस बट आई एम लिटिल स्टिशियस। भाई तू ये ले, तू ये रख, मेरी वॉच रख, तुझे जो चाहिए मुझसे ले ले, बस तू प्रॉमिस कर कि तू अपने चाचा को समझा देगा कि मैं उनके साथ काम नहीं करूँगा। मैंने उनके साथ काम किया ना तो मुझे कुछ हो जाएगा, आई विल लूज माई माइंड, ठीक है? थैंक यू।
for today's launch, do check out the workshop section where I can help you with your auditions, performance, and your career. I've been cheated by you since I don't know where. So I made up my mind, time to an end. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, Mamma Mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, doesn't show again. My, just how much I miss you. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, now I really know. My, I could never let you go. I've been irate and sad about the things that you do. Well, I can't count all the times that I told you we're through. And when you go, when you slam the door, I think you know that it won't be away too long. You know that I'm not that strong. Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Oh, Mamma Mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, doesn't show again. My, just how much I miss you. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, now I really know. My, I could never let you go. Have a lovely, wonderful evening ahead. Do not forget to check out my course on performance, audition, and music career.
And that's almost all for tonight, folks. And I'm glad I'm really sure that you enjoyed it, because I did, even though I'm seeing it, I think, for the second or third time. For the parent who asked about the music courses, well, you have your answer now, I'm pretty sure. Just, as I said, just explore the site, connect with us and we will connect you with the teacher. You can have a discussion with them on what you want to do and what are your child's needs. And we are always helpful to, we are always here to help you to meet your goals as far as extracurricular talents are concerned. Also remember that we are open to teachers. A lot of teachers, as you have seen, the teachers that we have are of a fantastic standard, and we really are looking forward to a lot of subjects that we want to add on board. So everything, as I said, there is no such talent that we cannot host it on our show. Okay, not only for the talent show, but on All Rounders platform. And we want it to be extracurricular. We want it to be fun. We want it to be content rich, and we want it to be good. So you're most welcome. And a big thank you. I want to end with a big thank you to all our teachers who have contributed towards making the website, as well as the content, as well as this particular small show that we had, a big success. In ordinary days, we would have had a cocktail dinner and party and stuff, but that's not permitted. So hopefully when things open up, we'll all meet together as a very big family. And I hope by that time our numbers also have increased, both in terms of revenue and in terms of students that we are going to teach, right? I'll wish you all a very good night and hope to see you on the site. It's open for anybody who wants to register. You can also register for the talent contest. Again, the links are going to be put up on all our on all the forums that we have. Yeah. Bye for now. Good night and lovely seeing you here.